Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to analyze customer feedback using Perplexity AI. This powerful tool can help you gain insights from customer comments, reviews, and surveys to improve your products and services. So let's dive in. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by first of all signing up Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select this settings icon. Now get to the top right corner. Here you need to select this API section and then select docs. Now here you can select get started button and here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will grant you access to Perplexity AI's customer feedback analysis services. Next, set up development environment. Ensure you have the necessary libraries and dependencies installed to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Gather the customer feedback you want to analyze. This could include text from customer reviews, survey responses, and social media comments, or any other source of customer input. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your application by configuring it to send your customer feedback data for analysis. This involves setting up the appropriate API endpoints and handling the requests and responses. Send your customer feedback data to the Perplexity AI API and receive the analysis results. Ensure that your application can handle the API response and display the analysis appropriately. Review the insights provided by Perplexity AI. This can include sentiment analysis, keyword extraction, and other relevant metrics to help you understand customer opinions and trends. Use the insights gained from Perplexity AI to make data-driven decisions. Whether it's improving your products, enhancing customer service, or refining your marketing strategy, the feedback analysis can provide valuable guidance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can analyze customer feedback using Perplexity AI, helping you better understand and respond to your customers' needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.